Hey guys, Jason here. You may have noticed this channel has kind of gone silent for the last couple weeks. There's been no uploads, I haven't seen any comments, and of course no revenue stream. What has happened was there was a crypto scam that had uploaded and hijacked my channel. Thankfully, YouTube worked hard and got it restored for me, and now we're back. What kind of happened during this was it made me sit back and think a little bit. What is this channel for? I developed this channel to help people, help them with automotive tips, help them if they were buying a vehicle or looking at buying a vehicle, or maybe even if they rented a vehicle. Now I just want to organize that content a little more. So what you're gonna see going forward is at least once a week, a long format video that's gonna help with interior tutorials. We're gonna deep dive into vehicle tech. We're gonna help go through some options on some vehicles and just be a lot more organized for the future. We wanna build this channel into the brand that I know it can be, and I just enjoy helping everybody along the way. So please keep up your comments and your likes. It really means a lot to me and helps this channel a lot. And look forward. We just launched a new video today with a little bit of useful information that you guys might like. So feel free to check that out and definitely stay tuned for what's in the future.